Okay, let's do equal matrices today. Equal matrices. Okay, the plural form of matrix is matrices. Now, two matrices having same order are said to be equal matrices if their corresponding elements are equal. Okay, the two matrices are said to be equal if their corresponding elements are equal, and the next thing is they must have the same order as well. Then only the two matrices are said to be equal. Like for example, if here is A, B, C, D, and this matrix is of order 2 by 2, and another matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. This also has the same order of 2 by 2. Now, if these two are equal, if these two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements must be equal. Means the element in the first row and first column is A there in the first and 1 in the second. The element in the first row and second column is B in the first and 2 in the second. Similarly, in the place of C there is 3. In the place of D there is 4. So it means their corresponding elements will be equal. So A equals 1. These A and 1 are in the same position. B and 2 are in same position, so that is what they will be equal. C and 3 are in the same position, so C equals 3. D and 4 are in the same position, so that is why D equals 4. So in this way, the corresponding elements are equal. The corresponding elements are equal. It means if the corresponding elements of any two matrices are equal, then those matrices are said to be equal matrices, or in converse we can say if the two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also equal. This both relation will exist. Or you can say the matrix which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, the matrix equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These two elements only will be equal.
Sir,
Yes.
In an equal matrix, can there be something like 1 times 1, 2 times 1, 3 times 1, 4 times 1, 2 by 2, and the next matrix is 1, 2, 3, and 4? Will those also be considered equal matrices?
That means multiplying with one scalar, like you told, into 2
Or
like
just like
this.
anything between, like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction?
No, we cannot say equal. The two matrices will only be equal if this is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this. Means the matrices with the same element in the same position will only be said to be equal, otherwise not.
Oh, got it. So no signs and all, correct?
Yeah, no. Okay, but this can be done like 2, 4, 6, 8. If this matrix is there and if there is 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, then it may be equal. These two will be equal because these elements of this matrix can be multiplied by this 2. Now if we multiply this 1 with 2, then it becomes 2. If this is multiplied by this 2, then we'll get 4. If 3 is multiplied by 2, then we'll get 6. If 4 is multiplied by 2, then we'll get 8. That means the element in the same position will be equal at this case. So in this case, these two matrices can be equal, though this matrix is multiplied by this 2. In this case, they are equal. That means what you have to understand is, to become two matrices equal, the corresponding elements must be equal. If the two matrices are equal, but one matrix is represented in the form of multiplication with other value, other scalar, then those two matrices will not be equal. They will not be equal. That means, like for example, if here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, but if it is multiplied by k, like 2, then it will not be equal. Because if this 2 multiplies all the elements of this matrix, it becomes 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now, the elements in their fixed positions are not equal in the particular position. Like here is 1, here was 1, but after multiplying by 2 it will be 2. Now 1 is not equal to 2, so that is why these two matrices will not be equal. Have you got it?
Yes, sir. And if you multiply everything in the first thing by 2 and just make it like 2, 4, 6, 8, then those two become equal, right?
If this matrix is also multiplied by the same value, like if it is multiplied by 2, we'll get the same values in all the position, then they will be equal. Then they will be equal. Okay, now let's do one question, one example. The example is find the values of x, y, z and w. The question is x 7 10 y equals 8 z w 2. Now look at this, two matrices are equal, right? The equal matrices have equal elements in their corresponding places, means in the particular places. So x is here in the first row and first column. The position of x is first row and first column, and here in that same position there is 8.
How is that equal? 7 and 2.
It's not 2, it's z.
Oh,
It's z. The question has given us that these two matrices are equal. These two matrices are equal. The question has provided to us. Now in this position here is x, and in that same position here in this matrix there is 8. Now we can equate these two. That means we'll get the value of x. The value of x is 8. Similarly, here is z. In the same position there is 7. Now we can equate these two. That means the value of z is 7. And here in the position of this 10 there is w. That means we can equate these two values. Means we'll get the value of w, it is 10. Now here it is y. In that same position here is 2. So y equals 2. Means the corresponding elements can be equated. The corresponding elements can be equated if two matrices are equal, and that will give the values of unknown variables. Okay, have you got it?
yes, sir.
If so, then let's find the values of x, y, z and w. 16, 3x, 3y, 1 over 8 equals, for z it is 6, it is 12, it is 2w. Okay, get the values of x, y, z and w in this case. Find the values. How much will be equal to 16?
4, z.
Yes. Then the value of z will be
4.
16 over 4 is z. You'll get z equals to 4. Next, what will be equal to 3x? 3x equals, what will be the value of x then?
2.
2. Similarly, what will be equal to 6y? 6y equals
2.
6y equals 12. Value of y
Oh,
is
it's 6 y equals 12. I mean 2.
again 2. Now what will be equal to 1 over 8?
2W.
2W. Now what will be the value of W then?
W equals 1/8 divided by 2, so 1 by 16.
1 by 16, right. Okay, these are the values. I think here are not any confusion.
No, sir.
Very easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now next question. Here are the values of x and y. Find x and y if x minus 2, 8, 10, y plus 2 equals 2, 8, 10, 6. Okay, let's get the values of x and y. Get the values of x and y. Anushree and Agasri.
X equals 4 and Y equals 4 as well.
X equals 4, y equals 4 as well. Okay. So in this case, x minus 2 equals 2. So here is x minus 2, and in this same position in the next matrix we have 2. We can equate this 2 because these two matrices are equal. And similarly, in the position of 8 there is 8, in the place of 8, 10 there is 10. Now here in this position there is y plus 2, and here in the next matrix there is 6. Now y plus 2 equals 6. Now let's get the values. X equals 2 plus 2, it is equal to 4. Y equals 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, these are our answers. The value of x is 4. The value of y is 4 as well. Okay, very simple question. Now next question. Next question, find the values of a and b. Find a and b in or if a plus b 5 2 a minus b equals 4 5 2 1. Okay, can you find the values of a and b? Can you get the values of a and b here? Okay, try it.
Yes, sir.
Try it. Get the answer. I'm not being able to see you. Okay, good. Anushree and Agasri, are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
You are out of your home?
Yes, sir.
Find a and b if a plus b 5 2 a minus b equals 4 5 2 1. We need to get the values of a and b here. What will be equal to a plus b? A plus b equals?
4.
Yes. A minus b equals?
Sorry?
A minus b equals to? You need to form two equations here and solve them to get the values of a and b. A equals what? B equals what?
Sir, if my answer came in decimals, am I correct? Because I got A equals 2.5 and B equals 1.5.
A equals how much?
2.5 and B equals 1.5.
A equals 2.5, B equals 1.5. Let's check it.
Yes, sir.
a plus b equals 4. And similarly, here is a minus b equals 1. Now let's add it. Let's add it. Here is plus. If there is minus, then we can write minus. Then here plus. Now this 2 can be cancelled. We'll get a plus a will be 2a equals 4 plus 1 is 5. A equals 5 over 2, which is equal to 2.5. Okay, your answer matches with this. Similarly, now we have to get the value of b also. For that, we can just substitute in the first equation. In this equation, we have a plus b equals 4. Now a is 2.5 plus b equals 4. B equals 4 minus 2.5, which is equal to 1.5. So the answers are 2.5 and 1.5. Okay, both the answer matches. Okay, you just need to equate the corresponding elements and you can get the values. It's very simple. Okay, let's do another questions. Similar type of question. Next is find x and y if x plus y 3, 4, x minus y equals 7, 3, 4, 3. Get the answer. X equals y equals. Okay, get the answer. How much you will get? The two matrices are equal, so you can equate the corresponding elements. The corresponding element of x plus y is 7. We can equate those two. So x plus y equals 7. One equation is formed now. Similarly, the element corresponding to x minus y is 3. So we can equate those two. We'll get the second equation. Now by solving these two equations, we'll get the values of x and y.
Sir, x equals 5 and y equals 2.
X equals 5 and y equals 2. 5 and 2. Okay. Anusri and Agyasri, you are doing, or you got your answers?
Yes, sir.
Got your answer?
Yes, sir.
How much your answer is?
5 and 2.
5 and 2.
X equals.
Okay. If so, then x plus y equals 7. It is the first equation. X minus y equals 3. It is second equation. Now we can cancel this. So this is adding, addition. When adding, it's not necessary to change the sign here. But when you are subtracting these two equations, then the sign of all these terms should be changed. So in this case, x plus x becomes 2x equals, this y has been reduced now. 7 plus 3 is 10. X equals 10 over 2, which is equal to 5. Now this same value of x should be substituted in the first equation. From equation 1, x plus y equals 7. Now the value of x is 5. 5 plus y equals 7. Y equals 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. We got value of y as 2. Okay, x is 5, y is 2. The answer matches here. Now similarly, the next question is if a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33 equals 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, the minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3. Find A11, A12, A13, all. Okay. Can you state all the values? Yes? These two matrices are equal. These two matrices are equal. We need to find the values of A11, A12, A13 like this. Now, what is the value of A11?
5.
5. Good. A11 means it is the element of first row and first column. The first value, it denotes the row, and second value denotes column. First value row, second value column. First value row, second value column. So A11 means it is the element in the first row and first column. A12 means it is the element in the first row and second column. A13 means it is the element of first row and third column. A21 means second row and first column. 22 means second row and second column, and so on. The value of A11 is 5. Now, what is the value of A12? A12 is how much, honestly?
4.
4. What is the value of A13?
3.
3. Good. A21 is, I guess, 3?
0.
0. A22?
1.
1. A23?
2.
2. Okay, now third row. Now turn for RA1. What is the value of A31?
-1.
Okay, A32. A32 is how much? RA1, where are you?
Sir,
A32.
we're eating food while doing this class. -2.
A32. A33?
-3.
Okay, so whenever the two matrices are equal, then we can equate their corresponding elements. Okay, this is the concept, key concept of this equal matrices. Okay, the key concept is if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also equal. The corresponding elements are equal if the two matrices are equal. Okay. Now let's move on to the next topic. It is operations. Operations or matrices. Operations of matrices. So we'll discuss two types of operations here. The first operation is addition, and second is subtraction. Okay, let's discuss on this. Operations of matrices. The first operation is addition. Addition of matrices. Now, so before operating any two matrices, we should check whether those two matrices are compatible for that operation or not. Means whenever we are provided the two matrices for addition, then we have to check whether those two given matrices are compatible for addition or not. So for compatibility, the two matrices are said to be compatible for addition if their order are same. If the order of any two matrices are equal or same, then only the two matrices are said to be compatible for addition. Means the addition of these two matrices can only be done if their order are same. Have you remembered what order means? What order means? Do you know? Yeah, Ariman?
I believe order means the like where the elements are.
Where the elements are. Not exactly. Order means number of rows and number of columns. The order is denoted by number of rows by number of columns. This is the order. That means if the two matrices have same order, it means the number of rows are equal and their number of columns are also equal. So if we say matrix A as 1, 2, 3, 4, now it has order 2 by 2. It means it has two rows. It has two rows. This is first row. This is second row. The horizontal arrangement of elements are rows. There are two rows and there are two columns. So that is why its order is 2 cross 2 and it is said as 2 by 2. Similarly, matrix B has 3, 4, 5, 7. It also has two rows, two columns. Now, the two matrices A and B have same order here, right? The number of rows are equal and the number of columns are equal as well. So in this case, these two matrices A and B are compatible for addition. Now we can add these two. We can add. But in case if A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 3, 4 like this. This order, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. The order of this matrix is 1 by 2 because it has one row and two columns. It has one row, it has only one row and it has two columns. So that means the number of rows are not equal, only the number of columns are equal. It means these two matrices A and B cannot be added. They cannot be added. These two matrices are not compatible for addition. Hey, are you getting me or not? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And during addition, their corresponding elements are added. Elements are added. So while equating, we equate the corresponding elements. While adding addition or while doing addition, their corresponding elements are added. Means if here is A as 1, 2, 3, 4, B as 3, 4, 5, 7, these are the two matrices with the same order. Now if we are given to find A plus B which will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 7. Now the corresponding elements will be added. Corresponding element means this 1 and 3. These are corresponding elements. So we can add this 2. It becomes 1 plus 3. Similarly, the corresponding element of 2 is 4. So we can add this 2. It becomes 2 plus 4. And 3 has its corresponding element 5. So 3 adds with 5. And the corresponding element of 4 is 7. So 4 adds with 7. In this way, the corresponding elements of those two given matrices with the same order will get added. Now we'll get 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 7 is 11. So we'll get the sum of these two matrices with the same order as the component has. Okay, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one question then. Example, if P equals 1, 2, 4, 7 and Q equals Q equals 2, 4, 3, 2. Find P plus Q. Okay, get the answer of this. P is equal to 1247 and Q equals 2432. Now we need to get the value of P plus Q. P plus Q. Let's get the answer of this.
Done, sir.
What is our answer?
Sir, I think we used
The answer is
3, 6, 7.
6, 7.
7 and last element is 9. Okay, very easy. Very easy. Now next is subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction is same as that of addition. Only operation is different. The two matrices are said to be compatible for subtraction if their order are same condition, right? Same condition as that of addition. In addition and subtraction, if the two matrices have same order, then only the two matrices can be added or subtracted, otherwise not. If the two matrices have different orders, then we cannot add or subtract. Neither the matrices can be added nor can be subtracted. And the process is also same. The process is also same. The corresponding elements get subtracted. The corresponding elements get subtracted. So in case of addition, the corresponding elements get added. In subtraction, the corresponding elements get subtracted. For example is A equals 3, 4, 6, 2. B equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we are asked to find A minus B, then we'll subtract this A 6, 3, 4, 6, 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we need to subtract the corresponding elements. 3 subtracts with 1, 3 minus 1. 4 subtracts with 2, 4 minus 2. 6 subtracts with 3, 6 minus 3. 2 subtracts with 4, it becomes 2 minus 4. Now what will be our answer? Our answer will be 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. This is our answer. Okay, do you have any confusion on this?
No, sir.
Okay, now if so, then one question for you, Veda. If A equals 1, 4, 6, 4, B equals 2, 4, 3, 3, find A plus B, A minus B, and B minus A. Okay, get these answers. Okay, next. A minus B.
Minus 1, 0, 3, 1.
Minus 1, 0, 3, 1. Okay, B minus A.
1, 0,
1,
negative
0,
3, 1.
minus 3, 1. Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. All the answers are correct. Now I think more questions are not necessary to do in this case, in this topic. Can we move to next topic? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If so, then let's talk about multiplication of matrix by scalar. Multiplication of matrix by using a scalar. Scalar means it's not a matrix, it's only a value. Scalar means like 2, 3, 4, like this. If the elements or objects are enclosed by this bracket, then it is a matrix. This is a matrix. It is the matrix with order 1 by 1. But if we just write this 3, it is a scalar. It is a scalar. It is a matrix, and this is a scalar. 2 is a matrix, 2 is a scalar. Okay, scalar means it is any value. It is any value which is not a matrix. So in matrix, the elements are enclosed inside the bracket, either small bracket, either in round brackets or square brackets. But scalar is only a single value. It may be -2, -1, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 5. This type of values are called as scalar. These all are scalar. And whenever a matrix is multiplied by scalar, the scalar multiplies all the elements of that matrix. Let K is a scalar and A equals, let's say it as A, B, C, D be a matrix. Then let's multiply that matrix A by scalar K. K times A is A, B, C, D. Now, so while we multiply any matrix by using a scalar, the scalar multiplies all the elements of the matrix. All the elements are multiplied. Means K multiplies A, it becomes Ka. K multiplies B, it becomes Kb. K multiplies C, it becomes Kc. K multiplies D, it becomes Kd. So this is the result of multiplication between a matrix and a scalar. Have you got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If we need to multiply a matrix by using a scalar, the scalar multiplies all the elements of given matrix. All the elements will get multiplied. Okay. Now let's do an example. The example is if A equals 3, 4, 5, 6, B equals 8, 2, 1, 6. Find 2A plus 3B. Okay, let's get it. 2A plus 3B. Two types of operation are here. One is multiplication by using a scalar, this one, and addition of two matrices. Two operations we need to do here. Here, now 2A plus 3B equals 2 times A is 3, 4, 6, 5 plus 3 times B is 8, 8, 2, 1, 6. 8, 2, 1, 6. Now, 2 multiplies this matrix means all the elements are multiplied by this 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10 times. Multiply all these elements by 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 6 are 18. Okay, we found the matrix by multiplying that scalar. Now we can add. Now we have to add these two matrices, means we need to add the corresponding elements. 6 adds with 24 becomes 30. 8 and 6 get added to form 14. 12 adds with 3 becomes 15. 10 plus 18 becomes 28. So this is our answer now. This is our answer. Do you have any confusion on any step of this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. If so, then I'll give one homework to you. Aida. One homework. Only one question. Okay. Same. Okay, let's say this one is first question, and the second question is 3a minus 2b. Okay, do this question. 3a minus 2b. Means firstly we need to multiply matrix A by 3 and then matrix B by 2 and then subtraction. Next question also the 3 question. Question number 3. 1 over 2 times A plus 1 over 2 times B. This also. Very simple questions. These 2 questions. Do these 2 questions as your homework.